another air fryer video. Today we're gonna make Mexican street corn in the air fryer. I love Mexican street corn. I had it a few years ago at a local flea market and it was delicious. Usually you wanna grill your corn to get that nice crisp, but I'm gonna do it in my air fryer because I love my air fryer, plus I'm just not that big on grilling. And after we roast our corn in the air fryer, we're gonna go ahead and add some additional ingredients. I'm gonna use some Mexican crema. I'm gonna use some cotija cheese, some cilantro, chili powder, and a little bit of lime juice. And to get it started, I'm going to use a little bit of vegetable oil on my corn when I'm air frying to get that nice crisp. So let's get started. And there you have it, Mexican street corn in your air fryer. It's delicious, it's easy, and it's fun. So until next time, see you later. Bye.